hello guys, welcome back. And uh, in the previous video, we have done this type of question, and I taught you the concept how to do this question. So let's implement in some questions here. So what we can do is uh, each option are same, right? Each option are same, just new value or what is it showing is constant coefficient is different. So let's take any of the value, doesn't matter. I took here A in this mouse, but you can take any of the options, okay? So, okay, I taught you like what to do in this type of question. Just put K because it is increasing by K, right? So here take 0 and just do iteration and increase by the factor of 6. Okay, what is the value of factor? Okay, what is the increase? So just write here in here. And what we got? We got our k value, which is 1 by 12, right? So what is the question? Which of the value equivalent forms? Okay, which of the following equivalent forms displays 1 by k is constant or coefficient? So 1 by k, what is 1 by k really? Okay, we got our k value, which is 12, right? So it is 1 by 12, easy, right? So which of the mm, option is showing 1 by 12? So let's see. No, see, yeah, it is showing 1 by 12 here. So yes, no, no. So our option B is answer. So it is that simple. I will show another example. So here it is another question. So let's do the similar way here. Because to do this question, you just need to know this, right? So let's write any of the function. I will always write the first one because it is easy to see. So here we wrote, and what is it? Increase by factor of 12, right? And it is 3 and 12. We want to find C. Okay, that's very simple. Uh, so we got our value. C is 6, right? C is 6. So simple. 1 by C is 1 by 6. And which of the option is showing 1 by 6? Okay, A, no, it is not showing. B, yes, it is showing. Okay, and C, no, D, no, and even it is a coefficient of X, so you can learn. You don't have to see this as at all. You just have to see the coefficient of X. Uh, then yeah, B simple solution. Let me show you another example. So here we have another example. Let's do this as well. So simply just write the first function here. Uh, so I wrote it. So what is there? For each increase in value of x by 8, the factor is r. Oh, okay. It is a reverse here. This is a tricky one. Here we have factor and we have to find in each increase of 8. So do here 8 and do here 0 and do like this and we have our r. So we got our r, which is 4. This was very good. And which of any of this option is showing 4 at all? So let's see. Okay. Mm, here it is 4, right? We can see here it is 4 and nothing other option here are showing 4. So let's cross out. A is our answer. So this much for today, guys. This type of question are very easy. Just follow the process. Thank you.